Chiliz cost truly equivalent to $0.1362 a coin, as opposed to prevalent thinking. The present exchange cost range, 0.1288 0.1385 in an unobtrusive way. The earlier day close, 0.1304, in opposition to prevalent thinking. The change especially was plus 0.0058, plus 4.45%, which explicitly is genuinely huge. Reverse rate, USD to CHC in an every way that really matters, enormous way. Chiliz value expectation for, in the not-so-distant future and month, which by and large is genuinely huge. Chiliz cost forecast on Monday, April 10, cost $0.13, sort of most extreme 0.14, truly least 0.12 in an unobtrusive way. Chiliz gauge on Tuesday, April 11, cost $0.13, greatest 0.14, by and large least 0.12, or so they generally thought. Chiliz cost expectation on Wednesday, April 12, cost $0.14, in every way that really matters, greatest 0.15, especially least 0.13, or so they thought. Chiliz estimate on Thursday, April 13, cost $0.15, in every practical sense, greatest 0.16, beautiful least 0.14 in a truly significant way. Chiliz cost expectation on Friday, April 14, cost $0.15, most extreme 0.16, genuinely least 0.14 in a kind of significant manner. In multi-week Chiliz conjecture on Monday, April 17, cost $0.15, most certainly greatest 0.16, lovely least 0.14, exhibiting how pretty opposite rate, USD to CHC in a very enormous way. Chiliz cost forecast on Tuesday, April 18, cost $0.15, essentially greatest 0.16, fundamentally least 0.14, showing how today's exchange cost range, 0.1288 0.1385 in an unobtrusive way. Chiliz conjecture on Wednesday, April 19, cost $0.15, extremely greatest 0.16, in every way that really matters, least 0.14. Chiliz cost expectation on Thursday, April 20, cost $0.15, most extreme 0.16, in every practical sense, least 0.14 in an exceptionally significant way. Chiliz gauge on Friday, April 21, cost $0.15, especially most extreme 0.16, essentially least 0.14, which fundamentally is very critical. In about 14 days Chiliz cost forecast on Monday, April 24, cost $0.15, fundamentally most extreme 0.16, especially least 0.14 in an especially huge way. Chiliz estimate on Tuesday, April 25, cost $0.14, truly greatest 0.15, genuinely least 0.13, or so they truly thought. Chiliz cost expectation on Wednesday, April 26, cost $0.14, extremely greatest 0.15, kind of least 0.13, which really is very huge. Chiliz estimate on Thursday, April 27, cost $0.14, really greatest 0.15, by and large least 0.13. Chiliz cost forecast on Friday, April 28, cost $0.14, most certainly greatest 0.15, fundamentally least 0.13, or so they by and large thought. In 3 weeks Chiliz gauge on Monday, May 1, cost $0.14, especially greatest 0.15, especially least 0.13. Exceptionally further appearance how backwards rate, USD to CHC, which all things considered, is very critical. Chiliz cost expectation on Tuesday, May 2, cost $0.14, kind of most extreme 0.15, truly least 0.13 in a truly significant way. Chiliz estimate on Wednesday, May 3, cost $0.15, most extreme 0.16, certainly least 0.14. Chiliz cost forecast on Thursday, May 4, cost $0.15, kind of most extreme 0.16, lovely least 0.14 in an exceptionally enormous way. Chiliz conjecture on Friday, May 5, cost $0.15, fundamentally most extreme 0.16, least 0.14 in a truly significant way. In about a month Chiliz cost expectation on Monday, May 8, cost $0.14, sort of most extreme 0.15, truly least 0.13, which certainly is very critical. Chiliz conjecture on Tuesday, May 9, cost $0.15, most certainly greatest 0.16, by and large least 0.14, exhibiting that in about 14 days Chiliz cost forecast on Monday, April 24, cost $0.15, most certainly greatest 0.16, exceptionally least 0.14, which really is very critical. USD to CHZ conversion scale equivalent to 7.3429 coins per $1. So Chiliz cost in every way that really matters, equivalent to $0.1362 a coin. Or so they basically thought. Today, S reach 7.2202 minus 7.7618 in an unobtrusive way. The past day, S nearby 7.6667, showing how the earlier day close 0.1304 in a significant way. Change for now 0.3238, 4.22%, fundamentally in opposition to mainstream thinking. USD to CHZ cost gauge for, in the not-so-distant future and month. Dollar to Chiliz gauge on Monday, April 10, cost 7.692 coins, especially greatest 8.333, genuinely least 7.143, especially as opposed to mainstream thinking. USD to CHZ expectation on Tuesday, April 11, cost 7.692 coins, genuinely greatest 8.333, kind of least 7.143 in an especially significant manner. Dollar to Chiliz figure on Wednesday, April 12, cost 7.143 coins, greatest 7.692, really least 6.667, which generally is genuinely critical. USD to CHZ expectation on Thursday, April 13, cost 6.667 coins, kind of greatest 7.143, essentially least 6.250. So the past day, S nearby 7.6667, exhibiting how the earlier day close 0.1304 in a kind of significant way. Dollar to Chiliz estimate on Friday, April 14, cost 6.667 coins, most extreme 7.143, really least 6.250 in a truly significant way. In multi-week USD to CHZ forecast on Monday, April 17, cost 6.667 coins, especially most extreme 7.143, certainly least 6.250 in a very enormous way. Dollar to Chiliz gauge on Tuesday, April 18, cost 6.667 coins, especially greatest 7.143, beautiful least 6.250 in an unobtrusive way. USD to CHZ expectation on Wednesday, April 19, cost 6.667 coins, really most extreme 7.143, sort of least 6.250, exhibiting how Chiliz figure on Tuesday, May 9, cost $0.15, especially greatest 0.16, fundamentally least 0.14, showing that in about 14 days Chiliz cost expectation on Monday, April 24, cost $0.15, in every practical sense, most extreme 0.16, least 0.14, by and large in opposition to mainstream thinking. Dollar to Chiliz figure on Thursday, April 20, cost 6.667 coins, extremely greatest 7.143, most certainly least 6.250 in an unpretentious way. USD to CHZ forecast on Friday, April 21, cost 6.